In this quick video, I'll show you how to buy Ben on Uniswap step by step. So the first step is to go to app.uniswap.org, then connect your wallet. Once you have connected your wallet, make sure that you're using Ethereum network, and then go to coinmarketcap.com. On the search bar, tap down Ben, and you will see this, and then scroll down, and you will see here the contract address. Copy this, and then go to Uniswap, click here, paste the address here, click here, and then type down the amount of Ethereum you want to swap. But if you want, you can choose any token here. So just choose any of these tokens. But for example, we're going to use Ethereum. Then type down the amount of Ethereum you want to swap. For example, 1 Ethereum. And then you will receive this amount of Ben token. And once you have tapped down the amount of Ethereum or the amount of token you want to swap, just click here. And a confirmation from MetaMask will pop up. Then you will gonna need to pay for the gas fee. So make sure that you leave enough Ethereum in your MetaMask wallet to pay for the gas fee. Then once you pay for the gas fee, wait for the transaction to be completed, and then just go back to your MetaMask once the transaction has been completed. And in order to see the Ben token in your MetaMask wallet, you can just copy again the contract address from CoinMarketCap and then scroll down, click import tokens, click custom token, and paste the address here. But as you can see, I have already added the Ben token in my MetaMask wallet. But if you haven't added it yet, you can just click add custom token here, and it will show here on your MetaMask wallet, and you can see it here. If you have any questions about how to buy Ben on Uniswap, leave a comment below.